jungle.
Good morning, I'm Zbigniew Giernacki from SECO WARWICK services. I would like to invite you for a short introduction how do we help our customers step after step. Today the case is that customer furnace can't achieve set point. We will start with the remote connection and try to make a diagnosis and check what is going on there. And after that our service guy will prepare himself, take what's necessary and go to the site. Everything will finish with temperature survey. Hello, good morning. It's SECO WARWICK services. I just get your email about the problem with the furnaces, so I would like to get some additional information. Yeah. Okay, so can you tell me what is the number of this furnace? Yeah, you can find it on the nameplate on the furnace or in electrical cabinet. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I have the information that you had a problem reaching the set point during this cycle yesterday. Yeah. And if you can tell me if there was any alarms. Okay, no alarms during the cycle. And did you have any changes on this furnace last time? Thermocouple or I don't know, anything else? Okay, I can try to solve this problem or diagnose it remotely, but please tell me if SECO is connected right now. Okay, yeah, so I will try to connect and find the reason. Okay, I will start right now. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, bye bye. This is the SECO box, which allows us to connect to the furnace from almost every place in the world. It's provided very often with electrical cabinet, so no one has to do anything to prepare the connection. If SECO is added to the furnace, it's really simple to connect, just power plug, Ethernet connection on the cable, and second cable to Ethernet switch, which is in the furnace cabinet. Thanks to the SECO, we can remotely connect to the furnace computer and the PLC and check what is wrong, check parameters, settings and everything what is necessary to do the diagnosis or do any modifications and help you to solve the problems or any other issues with the cycle or with the furnace. Okay, so what we can check during the remote connection, we can check all parameters, if everything is set properly, if no one didn't change anything what is the core of working the furnace, just to be sure that customer didn't change anything what is the core of the furnace. If parameters are okay, we can also check the heating PID. If heating works fine, ranges are fine, parameters looks okay. We can also check second slave heating PID. Once again, just to be sure no one didn't change anything what is necessary. If everything looks okay for the first look, we can check the trends and check what values were measured during the cycle where the problem occurred and if there were no alarms or other unnecessary things.
As we all know, furnace downtime is a costly event, whether it lasts an hour or 12 hours. We recognize how important a prompt response to your requests for help are to your operation. as every minute counts. To make our response as fast as possible, each furnace is equipped with the SECO firewall, making us only one click away, whether you're next door or around the world. Remote assistance is a merged reality solution, blending a remote expert with another person on site to instantly diagnose, solve, and validate any issue you might have. Our remote experts can support you, the customer, technicians, or engineers in inaccessible locations, even from thousands of miles away. It means our experts can be anywhere instantly. Handling of most service requests begins with the customer contact and remote verification of important furnace parameters and settings. Frequently the problem can be solved remotely, but in this case it was necessary to send our service engineer on site. After complex remote analysis, the software engineer found out that the cause of the problems is in the heating system, and probably the thyristor or heating controller is damaged. Additionally, the customer asked for temperature uniformity survey after the repair is completed. Using these 21st century remote diagnostic tools makes diagnosing and solving furnace problems or breakdowns faster than ever before. This also means that we only come on site when absolutely needed or requested to do so. In those instances, we are ready and have the tools and parts needed to fix the issue at hand. In this type of horizontal furnace, heating elements are made from the spirally round resistance wire placed on ceramic pipes. The thyristor or heating controller installed in the control cabinet provides power to these heating elements as called for by the 4 to 20 milliamp signal from the output of the PLC for each individual heating zone. The condition of the entire furnace heating system can be checked on the industrial computer through WinCC-based control software. After checking the heating system and the relevant parameters, the root cause of the issue is quickly located and corrected, allowing the service engineer to restore heating to normal operation. As a standard practice, the service engineer also checks all other furnace systems for proper operation. After this repair, all heating zones are working properly and are equally activated. The furnace is also working properly, and we can start the requested temperature uniformity survey. Furnace temperature uniformity surveys are critical to maintaining furnace performance, especially when working to meet a specification or standard. Our service engineers specialize in performing temperature uniformity surveys in accordance with various national and customer-specific standards and requirements, such as AMS 2750, Boeing specifications, and the like. Surveys are conducted with state-of-the-art data collection instruments and are prepared digitally for our customers' convenience. Upon completion of the service call, the customer receives a comprehensive service report of causes of any issues and survey findings, as well as our recommendations for preventive maintenance and enhanced performance. Whether it is a new SECO WARWICK furnace, an older model, or an entirely different brand of furnace, we can perform a comprehensive temperature uniformity survey yearly or as needed maintenance services, while also optimizing the furnace to meet the desired standards.